Hello everyone. So as we have decided that on daily basis we will be discussing few questions from previous year for TGT Mathematics STET. So in this video we are going to discuss few questions. Although I know STET exam is approaching, आप लोगों ने ऑलरेडी प्रिपरेशन कर ली होगी बट स्टिल आई एम मेकिंग दीज वीडियोज सो दैट यू ऑल कैन रिवाइज योर कॉन्सेप्ट. Now, without wasting further time, let's start with our video. So, in this question, the diameter, we have to find the diameter of a sphere whose volume is given to you as the value of volume is 113 1 upon 7. So as you can see, this is given to you in the form of mixed fraction. So I am going to change it into simple fraction. So this will be equal to 792 upon 7. Okay. So now we all know the formula for volume of sphere is given as 4 upon 3 pi r cube, but volume is also equal to this. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So यहाँ से हम किसकी वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? रेडियस की वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. अभी जो भी फाइंड आउट करना है उसको एक तरफ और नॉन क्वांटिटीज़ को एक तरफ शिफ्ट कर देंगे. सो आई एम राइटिंग दिस हेयर. Is equal to r cube. So here 7 and 7 get cancelled. 22 and 22 into 3 is 66. 79 minus 66 and then we have 6 and then we have 9. So this is 9 3s are 27. So previously what we have obtained that r cube is equal to 27, but we have to find the value of radius. What we will do, take cube root on both sides. So the value of r is equal to 3 meter, but in the question I have to find the value of diameter. तो diameter कैसे निकालते हैं? जो भी radius की value है उसको 2 से multiply कर लीजिए. So that means 2 into 3, that is 6 meter will be my final answer. The next question. Now they have given you the value of diameter. The diameter of right circular cylinder is 28 centimeter. D is equal to 28 centimeter. That means R will be equal to 14 centimeter and its height is 20 centimeter. You have to find the total surface area. So let me draw a right circular cylinder for you. It's a very rough diagram. ठीक है. If you have already learned the formula, तो आप directly formula यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो. That is 2 pi r and h plus r. ठीक है. बट जिनको फॉर्मूला लर्न नहीं है दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो TSA इज नथिंग बट फाइंडिंग द एरिया ऑफ ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस कर्व्ड पार्ट एरिया इज गिवन एज 2 pi r h. देन यू हैव 2 सर्कुलर रिंग्स. ठीक है, आपके पास यहाँ पर 2 रिंग्स हैं. सो रिंग्स का एरिया आप कैसे निकालते हो? pi r square से. You have 2 rings, so that means this will be equal to 2 pi r square. You have taken 2 pi r common and that's how you are left with r plus h. So those who have already remembered this formula, it's good for them, but जिन्होंने अभी तक learn नहीं किया है, no need to worry, you can obtain this formula by these steps. So now let's put the given values in the given formula, that is TSA is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 over 7 into radius, that is 14, into h, that is 20, plus r. So this becomes 7 into 2 is 14, 22 into 2 into 2 is 88. 20 plus 14 is 34. 88 into 34 is somewhere around 2992 centimeter square. So with this question also ends here. Now let's move towards our next question. In this question, they have given me the perimeter of rhombus as 52 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. सो वी ऑल नो कि रोम्बस के अंदर क्या होता है, उसकी साइड्स आपस में हम इक्वल कंसिडर करते हैं, बट देयर एंगल इज नॉट 90 डिग्री. ठीक है. सो पैरीमीटर वी ऑल नो सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स, सो दैट मीन्स 4 इंटू साइड is equal to perimeter, but the value of perimeter is 52 centimeter. So that means the value of side will be 52 over 4, that is 13 centimeter. Now let's read further. If one of the diagonal is 24 centimeter, the area of rhombus. So we all know the formula for area of rhombus is given as, क्या होता है इसका फॉर्मूला, हाफ ऑफ d1 डायगनल 1 इंटू d2 डायगनल 2. ठीक है. द प्रॉब्लम इज दे हैव गिवन मी ओनली वन डायगनल, सेकेंड डायगनल तो मिसिंग है, तो दैट मीन्स आई हैव टू फिगर आउट दैट वैल्यू ऑल्सो. तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? सो लेट मी ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम हियर. ठीक है. Let's say this is the first diagonal and this is my second diagonal. The value of side is 13. ठीक है. The value of one diagonal is 24. We all know कि जो rhombus होता है उसके diagonal से एक दूसरे को क्या करते हैं, bisect भी करते हैं. So that means if this complete length is 24, that means this part is 12 and this part is also 12. ठीक है. And plus they along with bisection they are perpendicular to each other also. ठीक है. वो bisect तो करते हैं, साथ के साथ वो क्या है, perpendicular bisect करते हैं. So if I am taking this as O and this as A and this as B, let me redraw it here. This AB length is given to you as 13 centimeter and OA is given to you as 12 centimeter. You need to find the OB. आप OB का डबल करेंगे, आपके पास किसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी, सेकेंड डायगोनल की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. अब देखो, द वैल्यू ऑफ हाइपोटेनियस इज गिवन टू यू. ठीक है. आपके पास एक साइड भी गिवन है, दैट मीन्स वी नीड टू फिगर आउट द अदर साइड वैल्यू. सो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम व्हाट वी हैव, हाइपोटेनियस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is 13 square. Then we have the other value, that is perpendicular value is 12 square is equal to OB square. 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144 and that will be equal to 25. So that means OB is equal to 5. अभी if OB is 5, that means the double of 5 will be 10. तो मेरे पास दूसरा डायगोनल भी क्या आ गया, D1 की वैल्यू तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन थी 24 सेंटीमीटर. D2 क्या आ गया है आपके पास, ट्वाइस ऑफ OB, दैट इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. अब now you can easily calculate the area of rhombus. That is half of D1. The value of D1 is 24 into D2. So this becomes 12. That means your answer is 120 centimeter square. With this question also ends here. Now let's move towards our next question. In this question, what they have given, the radius and the height of right circular cone are in the ratio 5:12. So that means if you are finding the ratio of R ratio H, that is given to you as 5:12. If its volume is 314 meter cube, 314 meter cube. I have to find the diameter, and here the value of pi is 3.14. So how we are going to solve this question? So whenever this ratios type will be given to you, तो आप डायरेक्ट वैल्यू नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इस रेशियो का मतलब क्या है, एक्चुअल वैल्यू नहीं है, इसका कोई मल्टीपल यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट होगा. सो हेयर आई हैव अज्यूम्ड कि वो मल्टीपल x है. सो टेम्परेली r will become 5x and h will become 12x. ठीक है कि 5 और 12 के साथ क्या हो रहा है, x एज अ मल्टीपल वहाँ पर प्रेजेंट होगा. सो राइट सर्कुलर कोन, वी ऑल नो इट्स वैल्यू इज गिवन टू मी, वॉल्यूम का वैल्यू गिवन है, बट देर इज़ वन फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस एंड दैट इज 1/3 पाई r स्क्वेयर h. ठीक है. सो अब हम क्या करेंगे, इस गिवन फॉर्मूला के अंदर वैल्यूज़ को पुट करेंगे. सो लेट्स पुट आर वैल्यूज़. दिस बिकम्स 314 इज इक्वल टू 1/3. The value of pi is 3.14, that is 314/100. R square, that is 5x into 5x into 12x, the value of h. So 314 is present on both sides. I have directly cancelled this value, and then this will be also cancelled. 3 4s are 12. And 4 into 25 is 100. So this also get cancelled. So if you will look here, I am left with left hand side with 1, and on right hand side x, x and x. How many times x is present? 3 times. So x cube is equal to 1. X cube is equal to 1, so that means the value of x is 1. If x is equal to 1, that means r, that is 5x, will be equal to 5 into 1, that is 5 meter. Then the same way height 12x, that will be equal to 12 meter. But in the question you have to find the value of diameter. आपसे रेडियस नहीं पूछा है, डायामीटर पूछा गया है. So again the same thing, diameter is equal to twice of radius, that is 2 into 5, 10 meter will be our final answer.